Can you hear me, Cal?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday, October the 3rd. My name is Judge Esparza. We have some hearings scheduled this afternoon. The defendants are present in the courtroom. They were sworn in earlier. The first case we're going to call is C-45-24-L, State of Texas versus Jorge Moreno. Speak English, right, Mr. Moreno?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just go ahead and stand in the middle of the room there. Right there's good. Just face the TV monitor. Carlos Garza, this is your motion. You may proceed.
Good afternoon,
Judge, can you
Judge.
repeat? I'm sorry, Judge, could you repeat that clause number?
Sure, it's C-45-58-24L.
Okay, sorry, thank you. I had mistyped that. Okay, thank you.
Go ahead, Carlos.
Judge, this is a, this gentleman has set the property 2 or more convictions. In other words, he's been shoplifting and now it's turned into a felony. I think the alleged theft took place at Walmart. He's 36 years old, U.S. citizen. He's taking care of his dad. His mother has lupus. I think his bond is $5,000. It's a nonviolent crime, Judge, so we're asking for a PR bond. And if you all wish AIP, then that also.
Okay, what says the state?
Judge, my position is that the bond is appropriate. He has an extensive criminal history. It's only set at $5,000 cash surety. I know it's a shoplifting case, but I didn't look at that. I mean, the bond, our position right now is that the bond is appropriate just based on his criminal history, Your Honor.
Sir, where do you live?
With my father, Westlake,
What's your address?
804 South Missouri,
How long have you lived there?
at 20 years.
Okay. If you get out on bond, sir, do not go back to that Walmart. Do not go back to that location. You understand me? If I get a report that you're back there, I'm gonna put you back in jail. Is that clear? I'll put you on monthly UAs, no drugs or alcohol while you're out on bond. How long has he been in custody? 12 days. Bond will be reduced to $1,000 cash surety.
Very good.
Stay
Thank
away
you,
from
Judge.
that. Stay away from that location. You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you get out, contact your attorney. You will have to show up at a later date to take care of this case. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, thank you. Next case we're gonna call is C-4560-24-C, State of Texas versus Genesis Garcia. You speak English, right, Ms. Garcia? Sergio Munoz, it's your client. She's present. You may proceed.
Yes, Judge, good afternoon. Ms. Garcia, Your Honor, is charged with the possession of a controlled substance. She's got a bond currently set at $15,000 cash surety, Your Honor. I'm showing no other charges and no holds. I do see that she's been in custody since on or about September the 30th. And since then, we were appointed, Your Honor, she hasn't been able to make the bonds. So we were asking this court through the writ to see if it could be reduced.
Judge, we'd agree to a
Lisa?
PR bond on, yes, Your Honor, we could agree to a PR bond on this case.
Okay. Ms. Garcia, where do you live?
With my parents.
Okay. How old are you? 19?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna give you a PR bond, which means just with your signature, you'll get out. But you're gonna have to show up at the courthouse at a later date to take care of this case. You understand that? So when you get out, contact your attorney, give him your address, your contact information, let him know where you're at. What's your address?
805 South 36th Street.
That's where you receive the mail?
Yes.
Okay. Bond will be reduced to $1,000 PR. Anything else, Sergio?
Nothing further, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yeah, thank you. You should get out this afternoon or tonight, all right? Gonna call C-4451-24-8, State of Texas versus Ruben Pacheco. Vito, we were here Tuesday, right? Or Monday or Tuesday on this case?
That's correct, Your Honor. Your Honor, I don't know if you can check your email. I just said some case law. I sent it to OJ. I didn't know Annalise was going to be here. I just forwarded it to her.
Oh, I haven't seen it.
I just
I
sent it to you
know.
right now because OJ was here on Tuesday, so I sent it to him. I apologize for that.
No, that's okay. I just saw that OJ was covering for me earlier. Wait,
So the issue we had on this gentleman's been in custody now 263 plus days. He has not been indicted. I want to say he was released from TDC and brought straight over here, right, Victor?
Well, I mean, he was already out, I believe, Judge. I'm not real sure on that
Okay.
matter, to be honest with you. I think he was already out. I think he did a 2-year sentence and he was released at some point. We had a previous writ hearing in June after the 90 days. You reduced the bonds at that time to $2,500 cash surety for all 5 counts. He has not been able to make that. The state is still not indicted. So we believe 17.151 controls, Your Honor. And in reading 17.03, which is the new statute involving personal bonds for violent crimes, it does specify section B2 of 17.03, except as provided by articles 15.21, 17.032, 17.033, and 17.151. So that would tell me that 17.151 trumps 17.03, Your Honor, in my opinion, I think.
So it would allow me to give him a PR bond.
I believe so, Your Honor, because I believe when in the words except as provided, that would mean that the PR bond for violent offenses is not allowed except as provided by 17.151.
Annalise, switch position.
well, Judge, I think that, I mean, because of that, we would still, I guess because it's still very serious offenses, I understand that it hasn't, I mean, I know it hasn't been indicted and all this, this time passed. I will let you know that I did let them know, our intake division, what was going on. He also has, an ICE hold and a Homeland Security hold. I did ask them to expedite it. This one wasn't properly flagged, but they think that, my understanding was that they would get it presented on October 8th, Your Honor. And so I would ask the court just maybe reset it to after that date and see if it hasn't been indicted at that point, and then we can revisit this issue just because of the charges and the serious nature of these allegations. And my fear that we're going to lose him, and I mean, he's just going to come back here because
And I understand the allegations, they are serious. They are 5 years old. Actually, that's when they were made, but the outcry was from years prior to that, I believe. He has been in custody, like I said, 263 days. I'm gonna go, I already agreed to a PR bond on the indecency charge of $2,500. PR on the indecency charge. The only thing pending was the ag assault charges, which are currently set at $2,500 each. I'm gonna go ahead and reduce those to $2,500 PR on each one.
Here.
It'll be $2,500 PR on all 5 counts. Anything else?
This time, Your Honor, I guess if you could let Mr. Pacheco know that if he needs contact anyone, he can contact his daughter, Marlene Pacheco.
Mr. Pacheco, we're gonna release you on a PR bond. Let him know we're releasing him on a PR bond, which with just his signature, he'll get out. We're gonna release him probably to immigration. And immigration will make a determination if they're gonna allow him to stay or deport him. Regardless, he needs to contact his daughter or his attorney. All right, you understand? All right, good luck to you, sir. What is with the?
Your Honor, also, I don't know if he's being released back to he's been in Starr County. Do you know if he's going to be released back to Starr County at this point? Just so I can make sure to contact him. I know where to get a hold of him at.
He's getting PR bonds, they'll keep him here, right? Yeah, if he's getting PR bonds, they'll keep him here.
I'll try to visit him at the jail then the next couple of days, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Have nothing further information, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Next
Thank
case,
you.
we're gonna call C4551-24-I, State of Texas versus Ronnie Ramirez. You speak English, right, Mr. Ramirez? Yeah. Mr. Albert? you
Good
may
afternoon,
proceed.
Judge. Yes, Your
Good
Honor, he's
afternoon.
been, sorry, go ahead. Judge, he's
Go ahead,
being
good
held on
afternoon.
$25,000 bond. We're asking for a PR bond, Judge. He does have some priors, but they're out of 2009, I believe. He's a U.S. citizen. He works and lives out of McAllen, Texas, Your Honor. He was working at a Tigre store when he got picked up. He also has some mental health issues, Judge. He's opened up a case with, I believe, MHMR Tropical. So we believe if he gets out, he can be able to go start treatment there as well, Judge.
All right, what's his estate?
Judge, I know his priors are old. Let me just double check something. I don't have an objection, Judge, to him getting a PR bond, but can we put him on a drug patch or something of that sort? Because he does have a lot of prior drug related history. And some of his more recent priors are not stuff that we would see on Odyssey because they're like out of state or out of county stuff.
Our only issue with the drug
Mr.
patch, Judge, is just financially. If we could get another option, Judge, AIP or drug testing, our only issue is just financially with the drug patch, Judge.
Mr. Ramirez, where do you live, sir?
Your Honor.
What's your address? You know? Say it again?
2319 Ivy Avenue, McAllen, Texas, 78501.
Is that a house or an apartment?
It's a house.
Who lives there with you?
My ex-mother-in-law.
That's what, if you are released, that's where you're going?
Yes, sir.
Who lives at the 2511 San Tierra Avenue?
I kept telling the rover in the front that I don't know whose address that is. I don't know how they got that information.
So it's 2319?
That's correct. Ivy Avenue, McAllen, Texas, 78501.
All right. That's the address where we're gonna have them corrected. That's the address where they're gonna send notice that you have to show up to court. If you're not there, they send notice and you don't show up, they're gonna issue a warrant for your arrest and you're gonna end up back in jail waiting for your court date. You understand that?
That is the address. That's the correct address.
Where are you working?
I was working at a Tigre.
You still have a job?
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Yeah, you've been in jail 21 days. Bond will be reduced to $2,500 PR. When you get out, contact your attorney, you understand? And stay in contact with him. He's gonna take care of you. If you lose contact with him, you're gonna end up back in jail, you understand?
What am I returning today?
Today, tonight, maybe in the morning, but
That's fine.
your signature, you'll get out.
Thank you.
Make sure you stay in contact with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you, Albert.
Thank you, Judge. You guys have a good one.
You too. The last case we're gonna call is C4547-24-J, State of Texas versus Raul Saavedra. Mr. Villarreal.
Yes,
You
Judge,
speak
good
English,
afternoon. He does,
Good
Judge.
afternoon. Okay. You may
Judge, on this
proceed.
matter, I've talked to Annalise, Judge. We are requesting your next available hearing. There's some issues or some things I need to discuss with her. I called her right before the hearing and we're both asking for a short reset. I don't know when your next available docket is, Judge.
We
That's
can do it
correct,
on
Judge.
Monday.
That's fine,
Uh,
Judge. Sorry, we're just waiting on a verdict for a murder, so I'm at the courthouse, so I just wanted a little more time to talk to Mr. Villarreal.
Monday works, Your Honor.
Is that okay with you, Annalise?
That's fine, Judge. That'll work.
Okay, we'll reset this to Monday, which is October the seventh. October the 7th at 2 p.m. Zoom invite will probably be sent out tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Your case is gonna be reset till Monday, sir. Your attorney wants to, some time to discuss it with the prosecutor. We'll be back Monday at 2 o'clock, same thing, Zoom. All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you, Annalise.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused, Judge?
Yes.